students, welcome to SV Pandey Academy. Today we are going to learn potential energy. So what is potential energy? The energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. So the energy which is going to be stored in an object because of its specific position means if a body is kept in a rest, so it's require a certain mass which act downward, which is equal to the energy. Potential energy is active on the static state of a body. So now we are going to learn about how to derive the expression for potential energy. So let the object of mass m is kept down on the ground. The force that acts is mg, means it is equals to the gravitational force. Gravitational force. As we know the formula of work is equals to force into displacement. So what is force? Force is equals to mg. But we don't know about displacement. The displacement is about height h above the surface of the earth. So we can conclude the gravitational force is equals to mg, and the distance means that is height above the surface of the h is equals to h. Work done is equals to mg into h. Now the amount of potential energy stored in the object is equals to work done. As the body is static, the potential energy acting on the body is also static, means it requires mass, gravitational force and something which is called height. Therefore, potential energy is equals to mgh. Now we are going to learn more about potential energy and we will see some more questions. So the first question is, 500 kg of water is stored in the overhead tank of 10 meter height building. Calculate the amount of potential energy stored in the water. So what is given here? Height is equals to 10 meter. How we are going to conclude that height is equals to 10 meter? By seeing the question. Here what is written? Overhead tank. Overhead means it's simply state about height, means it's a displacement. M is equals to 500 kg. Kg is a unit of mass. So mass is equals to 500 kg. As we know the value of g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square, we can write all this formula in this question. Potential energy is equals to mgh. The value of m is 500 kg and the value of g is 9.8 per meter square and height is 10 meter. So by a simple calculation we can see the potential energy 49,000 joule. How we are going to write here joule? The work done unit is joule and work done is equals to potential energy. So we can easily write the value of potential energy by doing a simple calculation. So thank you students. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe.